Do you own your own website domain? If so, are you using an email address at that domain to send your emails? While Constant Contact will automatically authenticate your outbound email using our shared ccsend.com domain, you can self-authenticate your emails to continue sending from your own domain and improve your email deliverability and sending reputation. Check out this video to learn more about email authentication. Self-authentication using CNAME records is the simplest and most secure way to authenticate your domain email address and helps to ensure that your emails land in your contacts' inbox and not in their spam folders. To get started, click on the name in the upper right and select Settings from the drop-down. Go to the Advanced Settings tab and then click Add Self-Authentication. If you have multiple Constant Contact accounts and use the same domain in more than one, select the DKIM text record option. Otherwise, select the DKIM CNAME records option. Then click Continue. Choose the domain you want to self-authenticate from the drop-down and click Continue. In order to complete the setup for self-authentication, you'll need to create a new CNAME record and DMARC record in the DNS settings for your website. This can be done by your IT department or web admin if you have one. Each hosting provider and DNS admin console is different, so you'll want to reach out to the support for your provider if you need assistance. Copy the CNAME and DMARC record names and values generated here and use them to update your DNS settings. You can click these symbols to copy each value or click Copy Information to easily share it with your IT department or domain admin. When you're finished, click OK. Once you've added the CNAME and DMARC information to your DNS settings, it can take 24 to 48 hours for the records to fully propagate through the internet. Your self-authentication status will show as pending during this time, but don't worry, you'll still be able to send emails to your contacts while you wait for the changes to be implemented. After that time, click to check the status, and then click Activate when it's ready. Your domain is now authenticated and you can feel more confident that messages you send using a from email address with your authenticated domain will be delivered to your contact's inbox.